Hello everyone, and welcome back on board our survey vessel, Odin. We're here today to show you the performance and the capabilities of the latest member of the SeaBat T-series, the SeaBat T51. The SeaBat T51 is a true 800 kHz multi-beam sonar, giving you unprecedented resolution and unprecedented clean data. Right now, we're coming up on top of a barge. I'll freeze the image so you can see some of the details that we capture with the T51. For instance, notice the chain that lies across the barge here. We also have bollards on the foredeck, and you can actually see there are double bollards on the foredeck. This is completely untouched data, meaning no filters or gates currently running. As you can see, the data are extremely clean. There are basically no outliers in most circumstances. Imagine what this would mean for your processing turnaround time. All right, let's try and head over to one of the buoys in the area. We're approaching a buoy now. We are passing it pretty close by on the port side. Here is the anchor block, and you can clearly see the chain. Lots of detection on the chain. You can also see the shadow from the chain over in the backscatter and in the side scan display. Thank you for watching.
Teledyne Marine. Everywhere you look.